In today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to use personal hotspot on your iPhone. Go to your iPhone settings app, tap on Wi-Fi, and first of all, you have to turn off your Wi-Fi. Go back from here, tap on cellular, and turn on cellular data, or you can turn on cellular data from your control center. And make sure you have available enough data on your SIM. And here under cellular, tap on personal hotspot, and this is your personal hotspot settings. To turn on your hotspot, just toggle the switch on, allow others to join, and here you can select Bluetooth and USB only, and then tap on Wi-Fi password. And now from here you can go ahead and easily change your personal hotspot password. And that's how you can actually use personal hotspot on our iPhone.